Both of those are third-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. So you're one of those people who cannot be around whatsoever. And I'm dead serious about you.
Welcome to my channel Court Shock TV.
(2023) CR 7445, State of Texas versus Troy Daniel Harris. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Rafael Leal for Troy Harris.
Are you Mr. Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, with regard to the discovery acknowledgement, there is more than this one page, correct?
So just like that little notation at the kind of quarter way down, I showed counsel the index. I had staff with the DA's office run up to the 5th floor real quick. We were having some technical difficulties. So I showed counsel the index, less than one page. And so counsel reviewed it. And so that's why we both initialed that compliance. We had complied with the discovery.
All right. Defense, have you received all the discovery that you reviewed with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Harris, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented
We are, Your Honor.
on both counts?
The 2 counts of the exposure.
All right. Showing you what's entitled court's admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand in count 1 and count 2, you're charged with indecency with both of those are third-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you to 10 years in each cause number and up to $10,000 fine in each count.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as the factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he is, Your Honor.
Mr. Harris, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I do.
According to the plea, state is recommending deferred adjudication. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance and registration and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 10 years. Did you understand that was a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest,
Count two, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states one in attachments.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty of count 1 and count 2. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Okay, why should I follow this agreement?
So, Your Honor, there are multiple layers of potential issue with this case if it proceeded further. We had a chance to further review the nature of the statement that was provided by the defendant. Essentially, he admits to when the child was around the age of diaper changes, he found himself being around. And so given both the age of the complainant time with the memory and putting them on the stand and also the nature of like the statements, right? So of course in the report it says, admits to all these things, but if you look deeper, and we've had that opportunity to do so, diaper changes, found himself. The state wants this individual to be a registered sex for the rest of their life, but given the complications, both with the age and with the nature of the conduct that happened, we believe in conversation with counsel that this was the most appropriate offer we can make.
All right, and have you all had discussions with the complainant's family?
We have,
Okay. All right.
and we, in communication with the victim's family, I think we tried to present, again, just an open account of, again, kind of the layers that we saw had this case proceeded further. So again, with lifetime center registration, that would follow this individual around, we believe that was incredibly important and pertinent to, again, both the issues that were presented and the defense's kind of discussions with us in private. And my apologies for
Yes.
misspeaking, Your Honor, the 10-year registration.
Yes, because I was like, okay.
Because I'm looking at the file, Your Honor, but of course, as the exposure notes in the indictment, yes. My apologies for
No problem.
misspeaking there.
All right, I understand the complications with the case. Count 1 and count 2 are to run concurrently. I'm legally obligated to do that. It's going to be 10 years deferred adjudication. I'm going to do 90 days at the Bexar County Jail as a condition. And there will be no credit given for that. Chapter 62 compliance. There's to be no contact with the complainant. There's to be no contact with any minors. Chapter 62 registration. He's going to be on the sex offender caseload, of course. Regular reporting in person. Regular random UAs. I'm going to want GPS until further notice.
Judge, if I may, he's a resident of Washington State. And
Because Washington State is probably not going to accept him back. I'll request a transfer to Washington State, but they're probably not going to accept him back. And isn't the complainant in Washington State?
No, Your Honor.
And what county is that?
That I live in Washington,
Mhm.
Snohomish County, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, what?
Snohomish County,
Spell that?
SNOH or SNOHOMISH, Snohomish,
S-O,
SNOHOMISH,
all right.
Snohomish.
Probation, you can see if they will accept him. But I'm still, he needs to be on GPS, and if Washington State is not going to put him on GPS, then I'm not going to allow transfer to Washington State. Probation, is there anything else?
Judge, is there any time limitation on the GPS?
No. And let me just tell you why there's not a time limit on GPS, because there are so many women out here in this universe who will see that he's a registered sex or may not even investigate that he's a registered. And then the next thing you know what I'm gonna get back? Somebody's allowing him to babysit a chain talk. I don't even know if there's something, if this probation will help you, Mr. Harris. I mean, it's great that you confessed and turned yourself in, but this is the type of case where you can't be around shit, right? Can't change their clothes. There was a case I read once where somebody told everybody, this is a person who cannot even go to the store and look at baby clothes, can't change clothes, do not let them change their diapers, do not let them around it whatsoever. And you know what ended up happening? Some mother allows him, get married with him, and parole was coming to the house, and parole said, you cannot let him be around this, not let him change diapers, cannot do any of that. Guess what ends up happening? They allowed it. And guess what ends up happening? Next thing you know, that playground pulling down their clothes, exhibiting behavior, and it's because the mom allowed somebody in who they told them couldn't be around. So you're one of those people who cannot be around whatsoever. And I'm dead serious about you not being around any child ever. So if you have family and there's a cookout, you can't be there if there are children. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Probation, is there anything else?
Okay.
Anything else from either party with regards to sentencing?
Your Honor, we have that fact statement.
All right, just one moment.
Absolutely.
Did you review trial court certification? A defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining, they'll get it to you. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. You need to follow through.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. In 2023, CR 10719, State of Texas versus April Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Roberto Ambrosino.
And are you Ms. Rodriguez? Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Rodriguez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We did.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are.
Ms. Rodriguez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you
Yes, ma'am.
sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and pay for? And as a side note, if somebody invites you to their home and asks you to leave, leave. If you're on somebody's property and they ask you to leave, leave. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do not pick up any more theft cases. You are not allowed to steal. If you want things, you have to pay for things. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, on the employment I think she received social security disability.
Oh, that's why I said she needs to provide proof of SSI or employment within 45 days. Okay. All right, probation.
You mentioned regular reporting to this person.
No. So regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm gonna want a TAP evaluation out of custody. And
Also, are you waiving any of her community service hours?
if she completes parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied, but you must complete parenting
ma'am.
classes. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And TAP evaluation can be done out of custody, follow all TAP recommendations. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Is Child Protective Services in your life or no?
I'm sorry.
Is Child Protective Services in your life?
From time to time, they have been in the past, but I always, whatever it is that they ask me to do, I've never lost my kid. But I have dealt with them in the past. But right now, no. The last case that I had was maybe like a year ago.
All right, probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you understand it? Oops, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're going to have to do better.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Thank
just
you.
remain seated and probation will go over conditions with you.